In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to face swap in Canva for free. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need inside Canva, using an app integration that makes swapping faces quick and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll know how to bring a swapped image straight into your current design without leaving your project. Start by opening your design in Canva. This can be any existing project you are working on, social posts, thumbnails, posters. You name it. Make sure the design is open on your screen so the new image can drop directly into the canvas when we're done. On the left-hand panel, click on Apps. This panel is where Canva keeps its extra tools and integrations. If your sidebar is minimized, expand it so you can see the Apps icon clearly. The Apps area loads inside your design, so everything happens in one place. In the Apps search bar, type Reface or FaceSwap. Then open the app that appears. You are launching it right within Canva, which keeps the process simple and free to use. If you see multiple results, choose the Face Swap option and proceed. If prompted, log into it now. Upload the two images the app needs. First, upload the original image that will act as your base, the photo where the face will be replaced. Next, upload the new face image, which is the target. For the cleanest results, pick photos with good lighting, clear visibility of facial features, and similar angles. Front-facing images with minimal obstructions work best. Avoid heavy filters or extreme expressions, and only use images you have permission to edit. Face swapping can be fun and creative, but it should always be respectful and used responsibly. With both images uploaded, click the Swap Faces button. The app will process for a moment and generate a preview of the swapped result. A short wait is normal, especially with higher resolution photos. When you are happy with what you see, select Add to Design. This sends the new image directly into your canvas so you can continue working in your current layout. It will appear like any other image in your project, ready to incorporate into your design. That's the full workflow. You now know exactly how to face swap in Canva for free. Thanks for watching.